In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to install Scarlet on your iPhone without jailbreak, no computer, and no revokes. So this method is very simple, and also this is straight from their website, and it doesn't matter if the certificate is revoked or not, since with this method, even revoked certificates work. And so if you guys don't know what Scarlet is, it's essentially a sideloading app that allows you to sideload any app that you want on your iOS device. So all we have to do is simply first open up Safari, type in wsfteam.xyz, and we're on this website because we first want to get the Anti-Revoke Profile. So you're going to click on download, config profiles, and then download CFDNS config profile. So click on that here, click allow, and now you're just going to have to go to settings. In settings, you're just going to click on install here, enter in your passcode, click next, install, and install. And so now that the profile is now installed, we just need to go back into Safari. And what you guys are going to do is type in uscarlet.com. I'll leave a link for this in the description down below, and also for wsfteam.xyz. So you're just going to click on use Scarlet here. And this is the official website. If there's any other websites that you see are similar, do not click on them. They could be malware. You can scroll down, click on install, and now you'll be redirected to this page. If you guys get an ad, just swipe out of it, click direct install, and once you guys click direct install, you will have to wait 10 seconds, so let it keep going. And then you'll see open this page in iTunes, click open, and then just click on install here. And as you guys can see, Scarlet has worked even though the certificate says revoked. So this method is 100% success rate and also avoids any revokes as well. And so you guys will have to trust the certificate, but again, this worked even with a revoked certificate. So you're gonna go into settings, and obviously since I already had KSign on my phone, I didn't really have to trust the developer certificate because I already trusted it before. And yeah, so now you guys can open up the app. Obviously no revokes, works with the revoked certificate. You guys can do this anytime that you guys want, and now you guys can just sideload any one of your IPAs. And when you guys are sideloading, just remember that you guys will have to turn off this DNS. So as you guys can see, there's a little blue icon in the top right, so that means that it's not properly connecting to the Scarlet servers. So what you guys have to do is just to head back into your settings, and then into your settings, what you guys can do to turn off the DNS is swipe down, hit on airplane mode to turn off the internet, and then click on automatic, turn off airplane mode, let your internet reconnect again, and then you're gonna close out of Scarlet, reopen Scarlet here, and as you guys can see, it is now green in the top right corner, which means that these servers are now active. And so now what you guys can do is just click on this download icon in the top right here, and then you guys can just sideload any one of your IPAs. In this video, I'll be doing old OS, so just click on that here, and then now you guys will see it is sideloading here, and then it'll ask you to install old OS, click install. And now if you guys swipe out and give it 2 to 3 seconds, it should pop up on your home screen, and yeah, it should start to sideload. And as you guys can see, the app has finally sideloaded. And if you guys want to make sure that there's no revokes, then all you have to do really is just go back into the settings app and turn on your airplane mode and switch the DNS server to CFDNS config profile plus UB, and that will prevent any revokes. However, if you guys do want to start sideloading any app, then I would recommend just keeping it at automatic and then just manually re-signing them. And so now if you guys go into old OS, you guys can see here that the app works just like it's supposed to. You can click allow here, slide to unlock. And if you guys want to know how to get this app, I'll leave a link in the top right to one of my videos that shows you the full process on how to get this app. And yeah, that's pretty much the gist of how you guys sideload apps with Scarlet and how to get it. Do remember that this works even for revoked certificates, so even if the website says revoked, this method will still work. Anyways, I hope this video helped. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.